Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Ataraxia Art Flexible Pla is probably one of the most versatile and exciting materials to hit the 3D printing scene in a long time, offering a unique combination of flexibility and durability that opens up a world of creative possibilities for hobbyists and professionals alike. Whether you're looking to print functional parts that need to bend without breaking, create intricate artistic models with a unique tactile quality, or experiment with innovative designs that traditional filaments simply can't achieve, this filament promises to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible with your 3D printer. Number 5. HATCHBOX 1.75mm Black PLA Filament. Introducing the HATCHBOX 1.75mm Black PLA Filament, a high-quality material for your 3D printing needs. This 1 kg spool offers dimensional accuracy for precise prints. Unlock your creativity with our hassle-free PLA filament. Designed for a seamless 3D printing experience, it works with various mainstream printers and offers improved toughness and fluidity. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this filament is made with quality and consistency in mind. Easily get started with basic settings or push your designs to the limit. Experience clog, bubble, and tangle-free printing. It's formulated for minimal warping and little to no odor, even without a heated bed. It's vacuum sealed to prevent moisture absorption for high detail resolution. We are known for producing the highest quality PLA on the market. Trusted for art, design, prototypes, and models, we deliver the best in 3D printing technology. This 1.75mm filament comes on a 1 kg spool, offering dimensional accuracy of plus 0.03mm. Recommended nozzle temperature is between 180 degrees Celsius and 210 degrees Celsius. What we like. This filament offers excellent dimensional accuracy, ensuring your prints come out precisely as designed. It's also incredibly easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. If you're looking for a reliable and hassle-free printing experience with consistent results, you should consider this. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed and produces smooth, detailed prints. It is very flexible and can be bent significantly without breaking, making it ideal for creating wearable items or flexible prototypes. The filament prints at a lower temperature than traditional PLA, which can save energy and reduce the risk of heat-related issues during printing. Number 4. Polymaker PolyTerra Charcoal Black Matte PLA. Meet Penchroma Matte PLA, formerly known as PolyTerra. It's the same great formula you love, now available in over 38 vibrant colors with an expanded range and a fresh new look. This 3D printing filament delivers an impressive matte surface finish that beautifully conceals layer lines. It's available in over 20 stunning colors to bring your creations to life. Our filament is carefully wound to prevent tangles and is dried and vacuum sealed with desiccant for optimal performance. Simply pass it through the designated hole after use to keep it tangle-free. Experience improved ductility with this filament, making it less brittle than standard PLA. This ensures your prints are more robust and less prone to breaking. Designed for ease, the support structures on your prints can be removed with minimal effort. This saves you valuable time and makes post-processing a breeze. It comes on a fully recycled cardboard spool, reflecting our commitment to sustainability. Join hundreds of thousands of satisfied Polymaker customers who trust our quality. What we like. Achieve a stunning matte finish that hides layer lines beautifully with this filament. It's also designed for easy support removal, saving you time and effort post-printing. If you prioritize aesthetics and a smooth post-processing experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed and produces smooth, detailed prints. It's very flexible and durable, making it ideal for projects that require bending or impact resistance. The color is vibrant and consistent throughout the spool, which is great for aesthetic prints. Number 3. OVERTURE Matte PLA 3D Printer Filament 1.75mm. Experience a unique frosted matte finish that hides layer lines for a professional look. This filament is perfect for projects where visual quality and fine surface detail are essential. Enjoy a hassle-free printing experience with excellent bed adhesion and easy support removal. It's designed for no clogs, no bubbles, and minimal shrinkage, ensuring a high success rate even on long prints. Our filament is manufactured with extremely tight tolerances, ensuring consistent diameter and reliable layer bonding. This results in less warping and consistently flawless prints every time. This filament works seamlessly with most hobbyist and professional 3D printers that accept 1.75mm PLA. Unleash your creativity with a wide range of vibrant colors for any project. Print with confidence knowing you have dedicated support and a long shelf life for unopened spools. We are your trusted partner for a smooth and reliable 3D printing journey. What we like. This filament provides a beautiful frosted matte finish, perfect for high visual quality prints. Its low warping properties and high dimensional accuracy ensure successful, detailed outputs. If you're aiming for prints that look polished and require minimal finishing, this filament is an excellent choice. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed, which is crucial for successful prints. It is very flexible and can be bent easily without breaking, making it suitable for applications requiring flexibility. The filament prints smoothly at recommended temperatures, resulting in clean and detailed prints. Number 2. FLASHFORGE PLA Filament 1.75mm Burnt Titanium. Discover our adored chameleon filament series, a revolutionary material that shifts colors with light and angle. It's designed to hide layer lines, bringing your 3D prints to life with stunning visual effects. Experience the ease of printing with PLA, known for its user-friendliness and excellent adhesion. Our high-quality filament ensures perfect prints with default settings, offering a variety of captivating colors. Enjoy exceptionally smooth surfaces thanks to its low shrinkage and minimal warping. This makes it ideal for intricate indoor prints and artistic creations, with very little odor during use. Our filament is engineered to be clog-free and bubble-free for a stable printing experience. It's meticulously dried, vacuum-sealed, and quality-checked before it reaches you. Benefit from precise diameter control with a tolerance of plus 0.02 mm, ensuring 99% of the filament is exactly 1.75 mm. Each spool provides a generous 1 kg of reliable material. Explore the mesmerizing burnt titanium color, one of the 5 unique shades in our chameleon series. Watch as it transforms under different lighting conditions. What we like. Experience the magic of color-changing effects with this unique filament, which also excels at concealing layer lines. It prints with minimal odor, making it pleasant to use. If you want your prints to have a dynamic, eye-catching appearance and a smooth surface, this filament is a fantastic option. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed and produces clean, detailed prints. It is very flexible and can be bent significantly without breaking, making it ideal for projects that require some give. The filament prints smoothly at recommended temperatures and does not clog the nozzle. Number 1. Musashi Crest Tanto. Experience the artistry of a hand-forged Japanese Tanto. This short sword is meticulously crafted for collectors and practitioners alike. Forged from durable 1045 carbon steel, its blade is hand-sharpened to a keen edge. The visible wavy temper pattern showcases the heat tempering process. Engineered for tamashijiri practice, this sword is perfect for cutting tatami mats and bamboo. A bow-high groove lightens the blade for enhanced handling. The handle is wrapped in genuine rayskin and cotton ito, providing a secure grip. A Musashi motif guard adds a distinctive touch. Built with a full tang for maximum strength and durability, this sword is designed for longevity and traditional maintenance. It comes complete with a black lacquered wood saya, a protective sword bag, and a packaging tube for convenient storage and transport. What we like. This is a hand-forged Japanese Tanto made from durable 1045 carbon steel, perfect for tamashijiri practice. Its full tang construction ensures robustness and longevity. If you are a collector or practitioner looking for a functional and authentic short sword, this Tanto is an exceptional choice. What people say. The filament has a good adhesion to the print bed and produces clean, detailed prints. It's very flexible and can be bent significantly without breaking, making it ideal for creating articulated parts or flexible components. The filament is easy to print with, requiring no special heated bed or enclosure, and it flows smoothly through the nozzle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.